What's going on, y'all? We doing pork ribs today, but it's cold as hell outside, so we just gonna throw them in the air fryer, and they gonna be so tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, let's get it. So first thing we gonna do, we gonna trim the fat off this rib, cause you know we do not want our rib to end up greasy, y'all, cause of the way we gonna cook it. So we gonna go ahead and rain on it with that salt, because my rub don't have any salt added, y'all. Then of course we gonna get that good rub in. Now if you want the recipe for this rub, hit me up in the comments and I'll go ahead and do a video on it. But this is how you want your rub to be in there. Just get it all over that meat, nice and thick. Then we gonna come in with our aluminum foil, flip it, and wrap that package up, y'all, like it's Christmas time. Now I like mine double wrap. That double wrap, just make sure that you ain't gonna lose no juices. And make sure that cleanup ain't gonna be bad, y'all. So we gonna get it into our air fryer at 320 degrees for an hour. And after that hour pass, it's time to get it on out. And unwrap that package. Now this is hot, y'all. We still steaming. And once we get that package unwrapped, we're gonna go ahead and pour on a little barbecue sauce and brush that on in. Now of course you need to use your favorite barbecue sauce. But after we get that brushed in, we're going to get it into our air fryer once again at 375 for another 10 minutes, y'all. Another 10 minutes. And look at what we got. Oh my goodness. Real deliciousness, y'all. I'm telling you. Look at how that cut, y'all. And look at that rib. Oh yeah. Let's get us a bite of this herb. And that rib is so tasty, y'all. And as my wife said, I need to start saying fire, y'all. But she said my rib is fire. But anyway, love, peace. And keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.